All right, guys, let's check out this 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a brand new set of Culture Classic 24-inch wheels with the Impala floating caps. Paint is absolutely beautiful. She's in excellent condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. She has a little under 14,000 miles, guys. And she is available here at Rolling Museums. The Culture Classics complement her well. Interior is in excellent condition. Seats has no cracks, tears, or stains. Dash is in excellent condition. She has the bucket seats and console. Headliner has no opportunity. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Let's start her up. As y'all see on the mileage, she reads just under 14,000, guys. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She running good, guys. You don't want to miss out on this beauty. 1971 Chevy Chevelle SS. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in nice driver quality condition. She got the 7.4 liter 454, rated at 365 horsepower and 465 foot-pounds of torque, backed by a 4-speed manual. She's absolutely beautiful, guys. Interior is in excellent condition. She got bucket seats, console. Headliner is in excellent condition. Upper dash. Lower dash. Seats has no rips, tears, or stains. Back seats are in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. And there she is, the big block 7.4 liter 454. She a monster, guys. And she is available here at Rolling Museums, guys. Don't miss out. Let's start her up.